Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to remove the air box just slightly out of the way so that I can get to this connector better and undo it. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet. Loosen this up. There's a second one on the back side. We'll unplug this electrical connector here. Unplug this one here. This harness is actually connected to the airbox, so you can't pop it off. I'm just going to leave it here and move it to the side. I'm going to loosen this clamp, the intake tube, lift up the airbox. Make sure those are fully released. Take our air filter out of here so it doesn't get damaged. So this harness here has a little push connector. I'm going to take these needle nose pliers and just push them together. And just pop it out. Put that aside. Put this aside so it doesn't get damaged. The NT speed sensor is located on this part of the transmission, just under the battery tray. Push in the connector to unlock it and pull the connector off. You use a 12mm socket and extension, a ratchet. Just fits in here under the battery tray. Break it free. Put this bolt aside so I don't lose it. And just work on, just kind of wiggle this back and forth. Pull the sensor right out. Here's the original sensor from our vehicle. Gonna wipe off some of the oil on here, transmission fluid. See, it's similar in design. It's the brand new one from 1aauto.com. Same style connector. Same style single mounting hole. Comes with a new O-ring. This should fit in and work great. Install the new sensor. Reverse the way the old one came out. Slide it right into the opening. Push it down. O-ring has some tension to it. It'll push in. Line up the bolt hole and reinstall the bolt. I'm just going to get it threaded in with my fingers. And we'll just tighten it down with the socket and ratchet. When I feel it get tight, that's when I will stop. Reconnect the electrical connector. It clicks on, it's locked into place, and the sensor is installed. Reinstall the lower air box. We've cleaned out all the debris that was in there. It's going to sit right back on the bracket. Take the bolts, get them started. Tighten them down, socket and ratchet. Install the intake tube back into the box, just slides right over. Line it up on the radiator support. Just going to tighten those down. I feel like I'm tight, and I'll stop. You don't need to kill these, they're just holding plastic into the thin sheet metal. Reinstall the air filter. Install the airbox cover. Let's get two tabs over here that need to go into these two hooks. Slide it over and line up the little slot in the rubber with the plastic alignment tab. Make sure that the clamp is in the grooves. Tighten the screws holding in the airbox. Reconnect our electrical harness. I'm going to clip it back into the spot on the airbox for it. Connect the mass air meter and this little valve here. We'll connect it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.